Are you looking to learn how to build a small woodworking shop on a budget? Even with a small space, you can still build a fully functional workshop without investing a lot of money. Keep watching to find out how expert woodworker Ralph Chapman can give you a complete guide to setting up a small, but complete workshop for under $1,000. Many beginner woodworkers do not know how much money or space they will need to set up a workshop. As a woodworker, you need a shop and a place to keep your lumber and tools. Setting up a workshop may sound expensive, and many woodworkers think they need a larger space. The truth is, this isn't always the case. With just $1,000 and a space as small as 8 by 8 square feet, you can build a functional workshop. The key is to know how to maximize your space and select the right tools for the job. This guide will take you through the entire process of setting up a small, complete workshop on a budget. It will also provide critical insights for tool selection, including where to buy them at the lowest cost. So if you are a woodworker wondering, how much money and space will I need? How do I get quality tools within my budget? And what are the most important factors to consider? Then the ultimate small shop was created for you. It contains many tips on workspace optimization, improving efficiency with tool selection and machine placements. Setting up a woodworking workshop without proper guidance may end up being more expensive than you thought. This guide gives you a list of the best and most important tools to get and where to buy them from at discounted prices. You will get insights on 6 important modules. Tool selection. How to determine exactly which tools you need for your woodworking hobby before you start buying. Space selection. All of the possible types of home workshop spaces, along with the pros, cons, setup and layouts for each. Shop layouts. Detailed floor plans and how to design your workshop to work in whatever space you have available, without sacrificing the tools and machines you really need. Electricity, lighting and soundproofing. You'll learn the ins and outs of lighting, electricity and soundproofing for your workshop, including the costs and layout. Heating, cooling, ventilation and dust. Special tricks and sound advice on ensuring clean air and consistent temperatures while sticking to your budget. Follow the links in the description below to learn about the comprehensive guides, which contain all of the information that you need to set up an efficient workshop. The ultimate small shop.